Things you didn't know you could make with Canva, Part 71. This animated effect looks like film is coming out of a camera, and you can create it in either the free or pro version of Canva. Add a fun background to your page and then go to the Elements tab and search for a camera. Look for one that has a viewfinder in the back of the camera and add that to your page. Resize that image if needed, and then drag the image to the side of your design so that it looks like it's partially coming off the page. Go back to Elements, scroll down till you see Frames, and add a single square frame to the page. Resize that frame so it fits the back of the camera window. Add a new page, go back to Elements, search for Film, and grab a horizontal film frame. Resize that frame so it's a bit smaller, move it over to the side, and then duplicate. Place this frame right next to the first one, and then repeat for as many photos as you would like to have in your design. Highlight all of those frames and group them together. Upload your favorite photos and then start placing them inside the frames. You'll place one photo inside each frame. Copy the entire set of frames and paste it on your first page. Go up to File, Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides. Grab a guideline from the ruler and drag it so that it's right on top of the frame inside the camera, and drag another one for the bottom of the frame. Now take your film strip and resize it so that it falls right in between those two guidelines. Take the film strip and drag it over to the left so that it falls just to the edge of the camera, and then send it to the back. Add some text and a title to your page. Search for a flash graphic and add it to your page. Place that flash near the top of the camera where you would normally see a flash. Click on the frame inside the camera and take the first image you used and drag it inside that frame. Select the duration button at the bottom of your design page. If you don't see it, go to your account profile. In the settings menu, turn the new multi-track editor to off. Click that first page, go up to the timing option and set it to 1.5 seconds. Next, click on that flash graphic, go to the timing option and drag the slider to the right so that it's 0.3 seconds and it's all the way to the right side. Now duplicate your entire page. Press Option 1 or Alt 1 on your keyboard to open the Layers panel. Select that film strip and drag the film strip so that the first frame comes out from behind the camera. Line it up so that the edge of the film strip is right to the edge of the camera. Click the frame inside the camera and drag your second image into the camera frame window. Duplicate page 2. Open the Layers panel again, select that film strip, and now drag the film strip so the second piece comes out of the camera. Click the frame inside the camera window and drag your next photo into the window. Repeat this process of duplicating your pages, moving the film strip, and adding your additional images until all the images have been placed. Finally, delete the page that had your full film strip. You don't need this anymore. Then download your video as an MP4 and post it to your favorite platform. Use this to highlight your favorite holiday photos, family vacations, or to highlight your favorite product collections and announcements. Share this with a friend and be sure to follow me for more Canva tips.